Pero pumasa naman kayo, so wala nang problema yan kahit na malabo yung figures.
O si Marie, lipat ka ulit.
Full new engineers. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the professional. Give it up for Honorable Praxedes P. Bernardo.
Neri C. Bueno, National President of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers. Learn from every experience. And wherever you go, go with all your heart. Thank God for always blessing all of us with more than what we actually deserve. Take this occasion to plant the seeds of the supernatural dimension in the first moments of your professional life as divine.
Thereafter, to lead the oath-taking of our new civil engineers. Let's all give her a big round of warm applause.
So, kindly stand. There's the oath of profession at the back. Civil engineering licensure examinations last March 2026, or 35.05% passing rate. Taken in 19 testing centers. After day 2, day 3, or whatever, it does not matter, right? Because you are now a registered licensed civil engineer listed in the Lola, Kuya, Ate, hindi na ako hihingi ng allowance. Hindi siya makaya, no? Kahit hindi nyo naintindihan ng figure, nagtsambahan nyo naman yung tamang sagot. So, huwag na kayo magreklamo porque, taas naman nakuha yung grades. He completed his baccalaureate degree. Sabi ko nga, with regards to age, akong nasa gitna. With achievements, mine is mediocre compared to them. Nung last December o taking, nagbigay ako ng trivia. Sabi ko, kung sabihin ko ba sa kanyang, I was part of the structural design team of the LRT-1 project, mahuhulaan niyo ba yung age ko? Ang daming lumabas sa Facebook. Na-involve pati ako kay Yusek Bernardo sa flood control. Sabi ko, kabata-bata pa na. Ako na. Hindi ko sasabihin ng age ko. Sa Facebook na yun. Kasi hinuhulaan nga yung age ko sa LRT-1. Anong year ba yun? 19? Hindi ko alam. I led a consultancy group with a broad base of clients from the government, local, and foreign private companies, as well as the U.S. Department of Defense in the military bases. It is a multidisciplinary architectural and engineering consultancy company, which together with a group of architects and engineers, we co-founded in 1987. Initially, my task was as principal structural.
To all newly registered civil engineers, to your proud parents, to my colleagues at the PRC and the PICE, and to all those gathered here today, including all professionals, is a day of achievement. But more than that, it is a day of meaning. With humility, carry your success with gratitude, and carry your responsibility with equal courage. Because in a world that
Kay, video yan eh. Wag po kayong mga rakot.
Ano ba yung tagline mo?
Tara, pag-usapan natin.
Station leader
Parang sa ano yun?
Dudulot to.
Pag-plug po yung tao sa likod nyo.
Damot. Ay, nabay. Napagalitan tayo.
Napagalitan po kami.